I think it's been a while since we did something to my car. So actually, a few weeks ago, we got Douglas's car on the road, and I kind of filmed about it, but I don't know what happened to it, but the footage kind of disappeared. And when I did that, I let him borrow my jack, or we were using my jack, but I totally forgot to grab the jack handle, and I have not gone to have a chance to grab it from him, so I haven't been able to do what I needed to do. And I know I shouldn't be doing that. So today I thought it would be a good idea for me to do a few maintenance stuff first, then I'm gonna go grab the handle because obviously I need to grab it, and maybe we can probably catch a sunset. I don't know if it's gonna be enough time, but yeah, whatever I'm doing now is probably takes like 10 minutes, and I'll probably hit up Douglas, see if he's home, because he has a big boy job now, so we'll see. But yeah, let's go. I don't even understand why it's idling so high. There's a vacuum leak somewhere and I can't figure out where. But I'm planning to replace all my vacuum hose little by little. And I don't know what I just did exactly anything, but you know, it's always good to just take it slow and replace small stuff, right? Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go see a sunset first, and I'll pick up whatever I need to do. So let's head there.